Chapter 8. Sound and Noise. Learning Objectives. Sounds around us. Sounds made by human beings. Sounds made by animals and birds. Sounds made by nature. Pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Some warning sounds. Noise pollution. Harmful effects of noise pollution. Warm up. Listen carefully to the following sounds. Tick the box for the sounds you like and cross the box for the sounds you dislike according to your preference. Sounds around us. We hear many different kinds of sounds every day. Sounds are all around us. They come from both living and non-living things. We cannot see sound, but we can hear it through our ears. We hear sounds like people talking, singing, or crying, as well as sounds from the TV, bells ringing, birds chirping, and dogs barking. Sound is a type of energy that is created when things vibrate, shake quickly. These vibrations travel through the air, and our ears catch them so we can hear. Some sounds are soft and pleasant, like sweet music or birds singing. Others are loud and unpleasant, like traffic noise or shouting. We get so used to hearing different sounds that we can even recognize the objects that make them. Here are some examples of sounds produced by different objects. The morning alarm that wakes us up. The ticking of a wall clock. The doorbell ringing when someone arrives. A baby crying. The school bell ringing for different classes. The whistle of a pressure cooker in the kitchen. The clinking of utensils being washed. The hum of appliances like fans, air conditioners, and washing machines. The sweet sounds of musical instruments like the flute, piano, guitar, and drums. The sounds from devices like TVs, the mobile phones, and radios. The cheerful chirping of birds and the barking of dogs. The loud thunder and gentle rain. Living beings like human beings, animals and plants make various sounds. Sounds made by human beings. Human beings make different types of sounds. These sounds can be vocal or produced through actions. Vocal sounds include talking, singing, whispering, whistling, laughing, crying, sneezing, and coughing. Humans also make sounds through actions such as clapping their hands, stomping their feet, rubbing their palms, or snapping their fingers. Sounds made by animals and birds. Animals and birds produce different kinds of sounds. Some examples include the barking of dogs, mewing of cats, roaring of lions, cawing of crows, chirping of sparrows, chattering of monkeys, and buzzing of flies. These sounds help them communicate important information, such as the presence of food, their location, or possible danger. Sounds made by nature. Different sounds are produced by natural things such as wind, water, and trees. Examples include the rustling of leaves, splashing of water, blowing of wind, falling of raindrops, crackling of fallen leaves, and thunder during a storm. These natural sounds can be soothing or intense, depending on the situation. Pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Pleasant sounds. Any sound that feels pleasant to our ears and makes us feel happy or relaxed is called a pleasing sound. We enjoy these sounds because they are soothing and gentle. Examples of pleasing sounds include the gentle ticking of a wall clock, the soft flow of a river, the cooing of a cuckoo bird, the sound of ocean waves, the rustling of leaves in the wind, songs sung by singers, the laughter of children, the sweet music from musical instruments. These sounds help us feel calm, peaceful, and sometimes even joyful. Unpleasant sounds. Any sound that is harsh or shrill to our ears and makes us feel unhappy, tense, or disturbed is called an unpleasant sound. These sounds disrupt our peace and cause discomfort or irritation. Examples of unpleasant sounds include barking dogs, Cawing of crows. Loud, inharmonious music. Honking of vehicles. Use of loudspeakers. Noise from drill machines. People chatting loudly or shouting. Bursting of crackers. These sounds are often considered noise pollution when they occur frequently or at high volumes. Some warning sounds. Warning sounds are loud sounds that are used to alert people about any kind of danger or an emergency. These are used so that people can move out of places or situations that may prove dangerous to them. The following are some common warning sounds that are used in different situations. The loud sound of an ambulance warns us to clear the road so it can reach an emergency site quickly, potentially saving lives. The fire brigade siren signals the need to clear the way, helping the fire truck reach the fire fast and preventing further damage. Fire alarms in buildings sound loudly to alert people to evacuate and avoid potential dangers. Police van sirens warn people during emergencies, allowing a quick response. Vehicle horns alert pedestrians to give way, ensuring safety and preventing accidents. Noise pollution. A loud sound which is not pleasing to our ears is called noise. When noise becomes so excessive that it negatively affects the health of living beings, it is called noise pollution. It affects not only the physical and mental health of people but also harms animals. Source of noise pollution. The primary causes of noise pollution include fireworks and crackers bursting, loudspeakers emitting high-volume sounds, excessive honking of vehicles on roads, noisy kitchen appliances. Machines in factories and industries make a lot of noise. Air conditioners and coolers producing loud sounds. Playing televisions, music systems, and radios at high volumes. Arguments and fights generating noisy disturbances. Certain construction site activities like making buildings, bridges, roads, and flyovers cause disturbance to people. Harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution is unwanted or disturbing sound that affects the health and well-being of humans and animals. It has several detrimental effects on both physical and mental health. Effects on human health. Permanent or partial loss of hearing. Sleep disturbances and reduced concentration. High blood pressure, hypertension. Increased stress and anxiety levels. Frequent headaches from constant noise exposure. Harmful impact on children's mental and physical development. Hospital patients may find it difficult to rest and recover. Effects on animals and birds. Hearing loss, partial or complete, in animals and birds. Difficulty detecting predators or danger due to loud sounds. Struggles to find food because natural signals are masked by noise. Disruption of habitat as animals may migrate away from noisy areas, affecting ecosystems. Ways to reduce noise pollution. Following are some ways by which we can reduce pollution. Avoid unnecessary honking on roads. Use earplugs or noise-cancelling headphones. Keep noisy machines away from homes. Lower the volume of music systems, TVs, and radios. Plant trees near roads and buildings to absorb noise. Create silence zones near schools and hospitals. Add silencing devices to vehicles, engines, and machines. These steps can help reduce noise pollution and make the environment quieter and more peaceful.